big boat. The boat will sail. Tom and I will sail in it. I like the big boat. Kate got him. The cat fell in the pond. Get the cat, Kate. The cat got wet, but Kate got him. The big game. Joe is at bat. Hit it, Joe. Joe, hit it. Run, Joe, run. Run to the base. His team did win the game. The mail. Mail it on time, Matt. I see the mailman. The man cannot wait. Yell at the man, Matt. The mailman got the mail. Puff. John got a big cat. John will name his cat Puff. The cat can lap its meal. Lap, lap, lap. John can pet Puff. The sun. Jen's cake. The cake is big. Jen will eat it. Red hen. See the red hen. The hen dug a hole. The hen got the bug. Jen's cake. The cake is big. Jen will eat it. Wait. Jack's gift. Jack is sick. Dad has a gift in a box. Look the little Jake. Let us see the box. Yip, yip, yip. A dog is in the box. Jake likes the dog. Jake will name the dog Tip. Jake will kiss Tip. Tip will lick Jake. Jake will hug Dad.
Would fill a fox with socks that exactly match his fur. You could make a goat a coat with the collar trimmed in mink, or give a pig a wig in a dainty shade of pink. But never tease a weasel. This is very good advice. A weasel will not like it, and teasing isn't nice. If you could make a riding habit for a rabbit, you choose, or make a turkey perky with a pair of high-heeled shoes. You could make a collie jolly with a gray coat.
Beth, it is time to go.
Don't be nervous. You're okay.
Beth looked at her watch. It was nearly 3 o'clock. Here I come, Beth called. She got her purse and ran down the steps. It was time to walk to the store with Grandma. Grandma and Brad were waiting for Beth. I love to stay with you, Grandma, Beth said. It's fun to walk to the store on Wall Street. Grandma smiled. Spring days are good days for walks, she said. I like to see the flowers and the bright green leaves on the tree. Soon they were at the door of the rental store. What will you get? Brad asked. I'm going to get bird seed, Beth said. If you get bird seed, Brett said, I will get yarn.